Hi, welcome to Easy Classes. This is Ramesh. I'm a PC technician. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail account password easily. Guys, if you are watching my video first time, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. This is how you can support me. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. To change the Gmail password, open any browser and visit gmail.com. Make sure you have logged in. So once you logged in, you will find your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on that and select manage your Google account. Then find security tab. Then scroll down under signing into the Google, you will find password. Click on that. Then you have to provide your current password. Let me type that. Then hit next. After that you will find the new password text box. There you have to provide your password. You can see that for meeting the password strength you have to use at least 8 characters and don't use a password from another websites. Okay, let's put the password. Then retype the password. After that, click on the change password and click on OK change password. Then you can see that your password has changed. So now onwards, you have to use the new password to log in. And also, once you change the password, it will log out from all devices which you logged in the world. So that's it friends. This was the quick and simple tutorial on how to change your Gmail account password by using manage Google account. So that's it guys. Hope this video helps you. If you found helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.